Mastering telephone etiquette. Role play your way to success. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our video series on learning English, listening and speaking skills, telephone and video call etiquette. In today's video, we are diving into the telephone etiquette section, focusing specifically on asking for and providing information. We'll role-play some common telephone scenarios, so grab your imaginary phone and let's start dialing. Before we begin with our scenarios, let's briefly discuss why telephone etiquette is so crucial. On a call, the only tool you have to communicate is your voice. There are no facial expressions, no body language, and no visual cues. Therefore, how you speak, your tone, your choice of words, your clarity, is all important in conveying your message and creating a positive impression. Good telephone etiquette is a key to effective communication. Now, let's role-play our first scenario, making a business call. You are a customer seeking information about a product. Remember to greet the other person, introduce yourself, and then clearly state the purpose of your call. Also, be polite and patient as they gather the information you need. The conversation may go like this. Good morning. My name is John Doe. I'm interested in your new line of sportswear and would like to know more about it. In our second scenario, you're on the receiving end of a business call. Remember, your goal is to listen carefully, respond appropriately, and provide the requested information in a clear and polite manner. The conversation might unfold as follows. Caller: Good afternoon. My name is Jane Doe. I'm calling about my recent order. I believe there was a mistake. Good afternoon, Jane. I'm sorry to hear that there's been an issue. Could you please provide me with your order number so I can assist you better? Sometimes, you might have to leave a voicemail. The key here is to speak clearly, leave a concise message with your contact details, and request a callback. Here's an example. Hello, this is John Doe. I'm calling about the advertisement for the used car. Could you please call me back at 123-456-7890? Thank you. And that wraps up our video on role-playing common telephone situations. We hope these scenarios will help you develop better telephone etiquette and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Stay tuned for our next video on providing and receiving feedback on the phone. Happy learning!